We are going to share our own experience of using both of these tools, which one is better. So let's see.
I've been using both MailerLite and AWeber for about 6 months now. And if you're a beginner trying to choose your first email marketing tool, here's the real, no-fluff breakdown. Let's start with MailerLite. This one is honestly one of the easiest platforms to get into. The interface is super clean, everything is intuitive, and you can build emails, landing pages, and simple automations without feeling overwhelmed. It also has a generous free plan, which is perfect if you're just starting out. What I really liked is the balance between simplicity and functionality. You still get automation, tagging, and basic segmentation, but it doesn't feel complicated. The downside? Once your needs grow, you might start noticing limitations, especially with more advanced automation and deeper customization. Now, AWeber. This platform has been around forever, and it shows. It's reliable, stable, and has strong deliverability. It also offers a lot of templates and solid customer support, which is great if you're new and might need help. But in terms of user experience, it feels a bit outdated compared to MailerLite. The interface isn't as modern, and setting up automations can take more time. It's not difficult, just not as smooth. One thing AWeber does well is giving you more built-in tools right away, like landing pages and e-commerce integrations. But again, it's not as streamlined, so what should you pay attention to? If you want something simple, modern, and easy to learn, MailerLite is the better choice. If you care more about reliability, support, and a more traditional email marketing system, AWeber is still a solid option. For me personally, MailerLite wins for beginners. It's faster to learn, easier to use, and just feels more up-to-date. But if you prefer a more established platform with strong support, AWeber can still get the job done.